everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to jump on today to do an unboxing for you. I just received this box today and it's from Estelle, and I found her on Instagram, and I have admired some of my other planner friends planners, and this is the first one that I'm ordering from her, so I wanted to do an unboxing for you. And this is zoomed in kind of far because the device that I have holding my camera doesn't go up any higher, so I'm going to have to make do with this. I've already cut the tape here, so I'm going to open it now. Designed to never settle. This is the beautiful inside. I don't know which way is up or down for you. Or Estelle, this is beautiful. Care tips and the beautiful bag. And I'll scan down so you can see the lid. Make time for what makes your soul shine. It's a beautiful box. Okay. Beautiful. I'll take that out in a minute. Beautifully packaged, very professional. Love this tie at the top. It has Estelle written on it. She is. This is the A5. This is my first time going with an A5. I decided that I needed more space for my planning. So this is the Chloe planner. It's A5 rings. This is the English rose and gold rings. Just beautiful. She included some little stickers here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, an open flap here, another flap there. These are the Krause rings. Beautiful gold. Beautiful. A flap here, another pocket here. Feels very sturdy. Great quality. There's Estelle imprinted there. Love this color pink. It's like the perfect color pink. This is the back. It's absolutely just beautiful. Just absolute quality. Snaps. Beautiful. Looks like it has lots of room to be a wide, fluffy planner. So I will now work on setting this up, getting my inserts printed, and I will come back on and do another video and share with you my setup in my first A5 rings. Let me show you what else came in the box because I ordered one more thing. Perforated dot grid insert, 32 dot grid pages. So I'm excited about that. Go. It's perfect. All right. Thanks for watching my unboxing. Actually, I just want to give you some measurements because I always wonder what size everything is. I mean, we always have to kind of Google it and look it up and see, well, what size is A5 or B6, etc. So this, like I said, is the A5 rings. And if I just kind of measure it across, it looks like the outside is 8 inches, which is really wide. And the height is 9 1/4. It looks like on the outside. And I'm just thrilled about the size. I know that some people probably think that this is a really large planner to carry around. But that being said, I'm so excited to make, my inserts, put them in. I actually purchased some inserts as well from Hobby Lobby the other day. I don't know if they're going to fit. I'm going to go try them and see how they fit. Other than that, I will do some printing. And I'm just excited because I write really kind of large and a little bit wide. And so to have this amount of space to do that just seems great to me. So I'm going to try it out. I also wanted to point out the great bubble texture on this. It's beautiful. You can see there. Anyway, really pleased with it. Excellent quality. I cannot wait to set this up. Thank you for stopping by. And if you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.